Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a metered connection on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left side where it says network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to go select your internet connection type. So if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, it should say Wi-Fi here. I'm using an Ethernet-based connection, so that's what I'm going to select. And then scroll down where it says metered connection. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position if you'd rather use a metered connection. Otherwise, you can just toggle that to the off position. And you can also set a data limit to help control data usage on this network. So if you turned it on, and then you set a data limit, you can modify it through here. So if you want to enter a limit, you can. Just use this with, caution. You don't want to make it too small because it's going to inhibit how your computer performs. But generally speaking, if you want to just overall meter your connection, that's how you do it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.